Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel at Alexandru. On this channel you will find 1. Quality news, 2. Animals, reptiles, snakes, plus other short clips 3. Business and economy, 4. Moments of relaxation, wonderful places in the world, 5. Cryptocurrencies and everything about cryptocurrencies, 6. News vertical bar information about cryptocurrencies plus methods of making money online on the net, and a new podcast visible on my YouTube channel at Alexandru. 7. Culinary networks and traditional foods from various countries. In today's clip we will talk about chili con carne recipe. Ingredients: 1 large onion, 1 red pepper, 2 garlic cloves, 1 TBSP oil, 1 heap TSP hot chili powder, or 1 level TBSP if you only have mild, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 TSP ground cumin, 500 lean minced beef, 1 beef stock cube, 400 can chopped tomatoes, TSP dried marjoram, 1 TSP sugar, or add a thumbnail-sized piece of dark chocolate along with the beans instead. See tip: 2 TBSP tomato puree, 410 can red kidney beans, plain boiled long grain rice. To serve: soured cream. To serve, Step 1. Prepare your vegetables. Chop 1 large onion into small dice, about 5 mm square. The easiest way to do this is to cut the onion in half from root to tip. Peel it and slice each half into thick matchsticks lengthways, not quite cutting all the way to the root end so they are still held together. Slice across the matchsticks into neat dice. Step 2. Cut 1 red pepper in half lengthways. Remove stalk and wash the seeds away, then chop, peel and finely chop 2 garlic cloves. Step 3. Start cooking. Put your pan on the hob over a medium heat, add 1 TBSP oil, and leave it for 1-2 minutes until hot, a little longer for an electric hob. Step 4. Add the onion and cook, stirring fairly frequently, for about 5 minutes, or until the onion is soft, squidgy and slightly translucent. Step 5. Tip in the garlic, red pepper, 1 heap TSP hot chili powder, or 1 level TBSP mild chili powder, 1 teaspoon paprika and 1 teaspoon ground cumin. Step 6. Give it a good stir, then leave it to cook for another 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Step 7. Brown 500 g lean minced beef. Turn the heat up a bit, add the meat to the pan and break it up with your spoon or spatula. The mix should sizzle a bit when you add the mince. Step 8. Keep stirring and prodding for at least 5 minutes, until all the mince is in uniform, mince-sized lumps and there are no more pink bits. Make sure you keep the heat hot enough for the meat to fry and become brown, rather than just stew. Step 9. Make the sauce. Crumble 1 beef stock cube into 300 ml hot water. Pour this into the pan with the mince mixture. Step 10. Add a 400 g can of chopped tomatoes. Tip in TSP dried marjoram, 1 teaspoon sugar and add a good shake of salt and pepper. Squirt in about 2 TBSP tomato puree, and stir the sauce well. Step 11. Simmer it gently. Bring the whole thing to the boil. Give it a good stir and put a lid on the pan. Turn down the heat until it is gently bubbling, and leave it for 20 minutes. Step 12. Check on the pan occasionally to stir it, and make sure the sauce doesn't catch on the bottom of the pan or isn't drying out. If it is, add a couple of tablespoons of water and make sure that the heat really is low enough. After simmering gently, the saucy mince mixture should look thick, moist and juicy. Step 13. Drain and rinse a 410 g can of red kidney beans in a sieve, and stir them into the chili pot. Bring to the boil again, and gently bubble without the lid for another 10 minutes, adding a little more water if it looks too dry. Step 14. Taste a bit of the chili and season. It will probably take a lot more seasoning than you think. Step 15. Now replace the lid. Turn off the heat and leave your chili to stand for 10 minutes before serving. This is really important as it allows the flavors to mingle. Step 16. Serve with soured cream and plain boiled long grain rice. YouTube channel at Alexandru. Thank you for watching this video clip to the end. I hope it was a video clip from which you learned something. Understand, if you like this video clip, don't forget **** subscribe, give a like, a share on social networks, so your friends know cut this clip.